we are ready to get started. Action underway, semi-final, 57 kilograms in the blue, it's Abdullayev, and in the red for Kyrgyzstan, Алмаз Уулу. Collar tie right away from Abdullayev, cleared out to a 2-on-1 for Abdullayev, dictating the hand fight right now as Алмаз Уулу posts at the face, trying to clear, and has him towards the zone.
Center.
And they'll center up 30 seconds in. Tight ties here. Another.
О мобильдик операторын тандайсыңбы? Супер! Переходи на О комбо тарифтерінің линейкасы менен андан дагы мыкты болот. Сага гана маанилүүсүн кор. Акысыз комбо опцияларды туташтыр. Гигабайттарды 2 есе көбөйтүү оңой эле. Wi-Fi таратуу албетте. Яндекс Плюска акысыз жазылуу, тасмалар, музыка, китептер жана таксиге арзандатуулар. Же ар кандай табитке ылайыктуу онлайн кинотеатрлар. Баары акысыз, баары мой о тиркемесинде, баары сен каалагандай.
2-on-1 for Abdullayev as Алмаз Уулу attempts to shoot out of it. Back to the 2-on-1.
And this is a rematch of the Olympic bronze medal match where Abdullayev won 5-1 over Алмаз Уулу.
This was on Spencer Lee's path to the Olympic silver. He beat both of these guys before making the Olympic finals. Now, underhook has Abdullayev towards the edge. In the zone is Abdullayev, and that's going to be one. Алмаз Уулу going to strike first with the step out.
And great sign early there from Алмаз Уулу. Abdullayev, this tournament has been wrestling very defensively, holding positions, getting to his underhook, and not allowing his opponents to score more than 1 or 2 points a match.
Алмаз Уулу controlling center right now with the wrist control. Abdullayev going to the collar tie. And thumb blocking away now. Алмаз Уулу, left side high crotch attempt by Abdullayev, not there.
No finger. No finger. Open.
They want Abdullayev off the fingers. As you can hear from the official.
Алмаз Уулу just doing a great job controlling the center of the mat.
And now bringing Abdullayev to the zone once more, now out of it. And the official alerting Abdullayev that he's in the zone. There again, easy step out. Abdullayev having a hard time even pressuring back in without giving up the step out point, making it now 2-0 Алмаз Уулу on the strength of 2 step outs.
Yeah, really surprising because this is Abdullayev's game, and Алмаз Уулу gave him a taste of his own medicine here in the first period.
Seatbelt here for Алмаз Уулу, has him on the zone again, now body lock. Could he get one more, or did Abdullayev ground himself in time? It appears he did. Grounding the call, one offered, nope, one confirmed, excuse me.
Wow, Abdullayev looking worn out already here, just less than 3 minutes into this match.
Back.
And backing him up, now underway again, Алмаз Уулу trying to keep this run and punch the ticket to the finals, earning his first senior level World Championships medal. Sweep single from Abdullayev. Whizzer there from Алмаз Уулу. Short time on the finish, 5 seconds to go. Tight shin whizzer here, 1 second to go, and going to be well defended. A huge defensive stop there at the end of. Back underway. Алмаз Уулу trying to close the door as he fires a beautiful attack, but you see the savviness of Abdullayev stepping out of it. Алмаз Уулу turning it up, maybe sensing a little bit of exhaustion. And there's a snap for Abdullayev, can't get anything going.
Yeah, Abdullayev gonna need to pick up his pace here in the second period. Hasn't been able to do much all match, and getting controlled with the underhook from Алмаз Уулу.
Center. Up. Center. Blue. Attention. Center.
Алмаз Уулу continuing to come forward. Abdullayev just looks out of sorts here in the hand fight.
Totally. Has not had the answers for the intensity and backs him straight. That could be a caution in one. That's offered, and I believe confirmed by the judge, so it could be one plus the caution in one, and it is in fact 6-0 now. Dominance for Алмаз Уулу.
No finger. Red. No finger. Attention.
Now back on that seatbelt is Алмаз Уулу as he brings Abdullayev to the zone once more. And head touched, and they're gonna give the one. 7-0, death of 1,000 cuts here from Алмаз Уулу.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if something's not right with Abdullayev, if there's an injury, if something else is going on, because just not a lot of energy, not able to hold position. One strong single leg, but that's about it.
That's the extent of his offensive output as Алмаз Уулу finds himself in the seatbelt now, an underhook position for one more. And it feels like he can get that whenever he wants. All he did was have kind of a shallow single leg, came up with the seatbelt. And Abdullayev showing signs of exhaustion, been totally answerless as he fires another single leg stop by Алмаз Уулу. A takedown would end it for Алмаз Уулу.
Less than a minute to go now in the match. Алмаз Уулу doesn't need to continue attacking, can just hold position, but if he wants to end it with a takedown, he certainly could.
Nice outside step, but shallow penetration there, 40 seconds to go.
Great action.
30 seconds, and he shoves him out. Grounded the call, 28 seconds remaining.
Blue center. Attention, blue. Center.
And Abdullayev can barely bring himself back to center. $27 to go.
Алмаз Уулу, the perfect match, wrestled against Abdullayev,
Absolutely.
controlling from start to finish, and time is going to wind down here, and he is going to make the World Finals.
8-0 the final. Алмаз Уулу from Kyrgyzstan punches his ticket to the World Finals.
And it's going to be two wrestlers who have never medaled at the Senior World